So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's discuss about today basics of computer hardware. It's a day two, okay? Let's easy explanation for students and freshers. Okay, so here you can see CPU. CPU is the central processing unit. Basically, it's the brain of the computer. Okay, it processes all instructions and calculations. You can see the example like runs programs and games. Okay, whenever you are running any programs or you are playing a games, all these instructions are processed and calculated by the CPU only. Okay, so simple way you can just understand like CPU is the brain of the computer. All the instruction processed by the CPU only. Okay, so you can see here questions like what is the brain of a computer? So it's a CPU. Okay. RAM, what is RAM? So RAM is the random access memory. Okay. Actually, it's a short-term memory of the computer. It's a store data temporary while working. Like you can see the example. Open Chrome with 10 tabs. So it's stored in RAM. Suppose you are working on the Chrome browser, okay, and you are open maybe one or more tabs. So these all the data will not stored in the permanent. Okay, it will store temporary in the RAM. So this is called as RAM. Okay. Interview question you can see here difference between RAM and hard disk. So actually RAM is temporary memory. Okay, and hard disk is permanent. So simple you can just remember it. RAM is for the temporary and hard disk is for permanent. Third you can see here what is hard disk. Short form you can write HDD for hard disk and SSD for solid state drive. Okay, so hard disk is for the long term memory of the computer. It's stored OS operating system, okay, files, apps, movies. So these all stored in the hard disk, okay. And hard disk it's a slower mechanical part, but SSD is the faster, no moving part. Okay. You can see here the questions like why is SSD faster than hard disk HDD? So because SSD has no moving parts but data is stored electronically. So that's why SSD is faster than HDD. Okay. And fourth you can see here what is peripheral. Peripheral means the input and output devices. Means extra devices connected to computer. So basically we called it as a peripheral. Like in input you can see keyboard, mouse, scanner. These all are the input device. Means we are providing entering some data, then it's provide output. Output will be print on the monitor, printer, speaker. So these are the output. Okay. Interview questions we can see give two examples of input and output device. So input is the keyboard and mouse, okay, and output is the monitor and printer. Suppose if you are typing anything, so it's the input, okay, and output which will the data or output which comes on the screen like a monitor. So it's called the output. So easily if you want to understand, you can just remember like this. CPU is the brain, okay, and RAM random access memory, it's a short term memory, okay. Hard disk and SSD is the long term memory, and peripheral you can see hand, eyes and mouth. Okay, so that's all for the today. If you like the content, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.